Hi, it's Eric with Team Drawio, and in this video, I'll show you how to collaborate live with your team using the Drawio board editor, because it's perfect for brainstorming, planning, and working together in real time. And just a quick note, this process is exactly the same for the diagram editor as well as the board editor. To start collaboration with your team, first make sure your Drawio whiteboard is accessible to everyone. You can do this by saving a whiteboard to Confluence and then publishing it. Once the whiteboard is live, you can share the page link with your colleagues who can join you in real-time collaboration by clicking on the edit pencil icon of the whiteboard. The board editor allows multiple team members to join in and contribute simultaneously. Whether you're working on diagrams, whiteboards, or brainstorming sessions, real-time collaboration means an interactive experience. Everyone can build on each other's ideas instantly. This fosters a more dynamic and creative visualization process. You can access all the tools you need for collaboration, from adding shapes and text to drawing markups using our brush tools or making adjustments. The board editor keeps everything fluid so you can focus on the content, not the process. Next, we'll cover saving and publishing.